Turning screws out of bolt kit. Remove the hinges from the toilet seat. Thoroughly clean the toilet bowl. Insert the bolt kits. Place the rubber washers onto the hinges. Now, insert the screws and hinges into the ceramic holes. Gently screw them in. Since the screws are long, this may take several turns. Tighten them until the hinges can only be rotated slowly by hand. Adjust the toilet seat to align properly with the bowl, confirm the hinge position, and then remove the seat temporarily. Fully tighten the screws, keep turning until the bolt kit expands completely. Attach the stainless steel caps, then carefully lower the toilet seat into place vertically.